kids. Welcome back to Bible Study for Kids. It's Nina Sarai here again, and now that you've learned some starter facts about the Bible, let's jump right into the book of Genesis, chapter 1. Grab your notebooks and take some notes. Oh, and if you've missed my introduction video, go ahead and leave this video and watch that one first. I'll be here when you get back. Okay, so Genesis chapter 1. So in the beginning of time, God created the heaven and the earth, but it had no form and was completely empty, and darkness was everywhere. The Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Now we're going to see how God created this world we live in today in just 6 days. Watch this. So on the first day, God created light. He simply said, "Let there be light." And there was light. Amazing, huh? When he saw the light, he saw that it was a good thing. Then he divided the light from all the darkness that was there. He called the light day, and can you guess what he called the darkness? You got it, night. So that evening and morning were the first day. Then on the second day, God made a firmament. That means the sky. And he made a space between all the water that was there to separate the water of the sky from the water of the earth. So there is water above and there is water down below where we are. Then God called the firmament heaven. So we know that heaven is in the sky, or perhaps it is the sky. And that evening and that morning were the second day. Let's keep going. On the third day, God gathered the waters down here on earth together in one place, and then he let dry land appear. If you walk outside right now, that dry land is our ground that we walk on. He called the dry land earth, and those waters he gathered together, he called them seas. And again, he saw that it was a good thing that he did. Then he said to let the earth, the ground, bring up grass and seeds that grow into fruits and vegetables, and also trees that produce fruits. And voila, they appeared. And that evening and morning were the third day. On the fourth day, God created lights in the heavenly skies that would divide the day from the night, and said that those lights would be to distinguish between days and years and seasons and other significant times. He made 2 great lights to light the earth. The greater light would rule the day. That's our sun. That's why it's brighter during the day. And the lesser light would rule the night. That's our moon. And that's why it's darker at night. He also made stars. And he saw that this was so good. And that evening and morning were the fourth day. On the fifth day, this is when God created sea creatures like whales and all animals of the sea. And he also created all the winged birds that fly in the sky. He allowed these animals to be fruitful and multiply, which means they can reproduce and create more of themselves. Again, he saw that this was a good thing, and that evening and morning were the fifth day. Hey, but what about land animals like horses and tigers and even bugs? Oh, well, they were created on the sixth day. And guess who else was created on the sixth day? Humans, like us. Wow, so you kids have learned a lot so far, and we are only on chapter 1. Let's stop here for now, and we'll pick back up on chapter 2. Don't forget to follow and hit the bell to get notified so you don't miss any info. Oh, and remember, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Bye-bye now. Let's stop here for now, and we'll pick back up on chapter 2. Don't forget to follow and hit the bell to get notified so you don't miss any info. Oh, and remember, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. All right now, bye-bye now.